Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Aeron RX 6950 XT Gaming OC16G and then hit enter. After that search your graphic card on this website and then click on the product. After that click this is your graphic card, click on it. After that click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows 7, 10, 11. So all the operating system installations process same. Select this and after that scroll down. This is AMD driver and click to download. And this is version, this is size, this is Z and this is download. Just click to download. It will start downloading. You can see it is start downloading. It will take some time to download, and it is completed, then click on three dot and then click on download. Then it is completed, then click on it. Open this icon to open where it is downloading. After that this one, right click and run as administrator, otherwise show more and run as administrator to click. Then click on yes. After that this is installing, it will take some time, and it is completed all driver, then restart your system.